Hey, what's up you all? This is your Captain Chef Steve and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a popular traditional Chinese dish. It's called baby boy choy and black mushroom in oyster sauce. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let me show you how to prepare the ingredients. For baby boy choy, simply cut it in half. For black mushroom, make 2 to 3 slices based on the size of the mushroom. You need chopped garlic, ginger, and scallion. In the boiling water, add the mushroom and put the lid on. Let the mushroom to be cooked for 5 to 7 minutes. Now the mushroom is ready to be taken out. Add vegetable oil to the wok, then add ginger, garlic, and scallion. A tablespoon oyster sauce. Now add the mushroom to the wok. Add a teaspoon cooking wine. Add a teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add a cup of chicken broth. If you don't have it or are vegetarian, simply use water instead. Add a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon chicken bouillon. Cook the mushroom for a couple of minutes to absorb the flavor. Slowly add the starch to the mushroom. Season oil to improve the flavor and the appearance. Now the mushroom is done. Add vegetable oil to the wok. Add ginger, scallion. Add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Add baby bok choy to the wok. Add a teaspoon of cooking wine. Add a teaspoon salt. A teaspoon chicken bouillon. Slowly add starch. Add garlic. Add seasoned oil. Now the vegetable is ready to be taken out and put in the plate. Add the mushroom in the center of the plate. Add a few chopped scallion for decoration. Now the final dish ready to be served. Baby bok choy and black mushroom in oyster sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. The dish is simple and healthy. Most importantly, delicious. Try it at home. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.